Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is going to be a little pull-together bag, like so, featuring the Everyday Essentials mix and match paper with mix and match ephemera. Now, we all know I absolutely love the ephemera. I've got lots of it. I have all the new stuff. Very excited by that. And so I thought I'd pull together a bag using it. So, piece of paper, 8.5 inches by 6 inches, which is 21 by 15 centimetres. On the long side, score it at 2, 4, 6 and 8 inches, which is 5, 10, 15 and 20 centimetres. And on the short side, oh, I didn't want that as my short side, I'm going to make that my short side. Score it at 2 inches or 5 centimetres. I want this to show, so I'm going to do a British summary. A British sunshine style bag, which means deck chairs and rain. Okay, because you know, a British, when we get the heat here, it is horrendous. It's inescapable because we don't have air conditioning. You don't have a need for air conditioning. So when the heat comes, it's on another level. But then we get the rain, of course. Right. So this is my bag. So I'm just taking off a bit at the top there, and then I can't really see very well. I'm just going to cut straight on these. So yeah, these look like deck chairs to me. And the deck chair in this particular ephemera pack. I just thought that was funny. And then with the rain, you know, many a year at the seaside, take your towels, your beach wear and raincoats. Kind of standard. Okay, let me get some tear and tape and pull this bag together. It's very simple, this bag. You could put little treats and sweets in it. You could put, probably wouldn't get a sun lotion in there, but you could get little bits of something. So 2 sides, and oh, I want to make this my front. Okay, I want that bit on the front, so we'll make 2 sides and the back. That could be the front. Yeah, I just wanted those raindrops because I thought they're funny. Right, so I've still got my seam round here, that's what I wanted. So push in at the side, thumb down here at the bottom, push in like that, and that's fine, you could make the bag like that. But if you come and do exactly the same on the other side, you get this sort of crisscross pattern. So then when you stick a couple of holes in, which I'm about to do with my paper piercer. It's not a paper piercer at all, it's a hole punch. On each side. Oh. And then you use some twine or linen thread. What have I got? I have this stuff. Actually, I've got, this could work. This is Secret Sea. It's maybe a bit dark, but we'll make it work. I probably need a bit of a sharper point. So I've gone through on the inside, and I'm going to come over the top and then back through on the inside of the one that is the front. Well, I would if I could. So can you see that? So it's come outside and it's gone back in, so I've got 2 ends pulling through on the ins to finish on the outside. And when I tie it in a bow, that remains with that star shape that I created. And a very wibbly loop. But I tried. Okay. That's quite cute, isn't it? And then I'm just going to take this. This is Under the Sun, mix and match. Oops. And I'm going to be sensible this time because I never remember to do that normally. I'm going to remove that bit and keep it. Because I then go scrabbling around going, well, which pack is this? Which one is it? I don't remember. So there should be 2 packs of each, or 2 sheets of each pattern, or each set of designs. Look at that, it's a Volkswagen camper-ish. Very summery, and this one is called Under the Sun. And it's a pink version of my bicycle, but I definitely want the deck chair on the front. I think it's one of the other packs that has got an umbrella in it. Oh no, it's there. Well, that's a parasol. But we'll pop out that deck chair because that has made me smile a lot. We can get that on there. And then a pink cloud, because why not? I think the parasol's going to be a bit big, but the wellies, the welly boots, accurate. And then what I can do with that, I can put it into one of my very handy storage cases and not lose all the bits. Right, so I need to give that a little bit of a bend. Are these stickers now? Have they always been stickers? Somebody tell me, have they always been stickers or are they just stickers now? Seriously, have they always been stickers? This is a light bulb moment. I have just treated these as though, yeah, apparently they have always been stickers. I didn't know. I did not know. I've always just stuck them on with dimensionals. Definitely need the wellies down the back. My mind is yeah, I've always just used dimensionals to stick them on, but okay. Anyway, every day's a school day. Seriously, how many years have I been using these? Anyway, that's cute with the deck chair, the welly boots, the cloud, some water splatters. That's an accurate British summer right there. Seriously, have they always been stickers? They must have been. I'm going to have to find an old pack now. My mind is blown. Speechless. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.